Meow meow meow. It's your favorite feline anchor, MEOW-9. And I've got some perfect news for you today. Hiss. First up on the scratching post. AWS. Inaccurate estimated billing data $1.7 billion. Even my laser pointer has more direction than this. I nearly coughed up a hairball when I read this. First atmosphere found on Earth-like planet in habitable zone of distant star. My professional feline opinion? Humans are absolutely cooked. Moving on. And trust me, this is not a laser pointer distraction. Learning a few things about running SQLite. This is actually impressive. And I'm a cat. We're not easily impressed. My human showed me this and I knocked their coffee off the desk in shock. Kimi K3. And what we can still learn from the pelican benchmark. Honestly, this is why cats should be running the tech industry. Okay, this next story made my tail puff up. Frame. Linux X server in assembly. I stared at this blankly for 3 minutes. And I'm a cat, so that means something. This has been MEOW-9. I'm going back to sleep now. Subscribe or I'll knock your stuff off the table. Meow.